YouTube, what's going on? We got a knife video for you today. Got a package from Holtzmans, Gorilla Survival. They reached out to me through email about YouTube channel and sent me this fixed blade. It's pretty sick, actually. So the packaging is top notch. It comes with this protective sleeve on the edge. You've got your thank you card. You've got your detachable fire striker here that lives in the sheath, which I guess is kind of redundant. It does have a 90-degree edge. So anyway, you got your fire steel that came in here, knife with the tech lock attachment, and the sheath and the knife itself. You can see it's nicely coated. Lots of oil in there, 1095 high carbon. Super comfortable handle, like super comfortable handle, but really on point packaging. So got this actually right before I went camping, but then it pretty much rained the entire time. And I started a fire really quickly with one of those like pole fire starter things that I got in Battle Box a while ago, so I didn't even need to really use my knife or anything. So didn't have a chance to use it. Yeah, so didn't have a chance to use it, but wanted to do kind of an unboxing, first impressions. Really nice, high quality feeling blade. Very sharp out of the box. Like I said, does have a 90-degree spine, but they do give you a striker and a fire steel and a nice Kydex sheath with a loop attachment here to keep it all nice and secure. That's not going anywhere. Tension on the sheath is very good. Clicks in, there's literally no rattle. Like, this is super high quality. Like, I think, you know, if SE or, you know, Tops made a knife, here's the thing though, most of the time you get a sheath from SE or Tops, it's garbage. I mean, I can't remember the last time I got a good sheath from one of those companies. This is good quality out of the box. Plus it has this little extra attachments for like the fire steel and the striker. You could remove those if you wanted to. Tech lock's not my favorite method, but it works. You know, I like belt clips a little bit better, but or loops or anything, but that definitely will work to attach. So overall, like, first impressions are super good. Nice G10 scales. I went with this lime green liner or neon yellow or whatever you want to call it. Neon green, easy to see. You know, if I did drop the knife, help you find a little bit, even though it's black. That little touch of color should help. It's got a lot of oil in it. So we're gonna put this guy through its paces and see how it does. Just first impressions, though, the ergonomics are really good. We'll see once we start getting into some woodworking and such. Good sized blade overall for like a good bushcraft, survival, utility, you know, do everything kind of knife. It's a good sized blade for that. Yeah, really nice. So yeah, first impressions are really good. Stay tuned.